Hi friends, it's Miss Hannah again. I wanted to make another video for you guys. I hope you guys are all still doing well. I hope all of your families are doing well. I hope you're all healthy. I hope that you're finding ways to have fun. And yeah, so today I wanted to read a book, but I realized that I don't have very many books in my house that would be good to read to my friends. So I thought maybe I could make a book. And I thought that was something fun that you guys could do at home too. So I'm going to show you the book that I made. I'm going to read it to you. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about how I made it. So this is my book. The cover is plain. I didn't make a cover page for it or a cover for it, but the book is about going to the zoo. So the book is called Let's Go to the Zoo by Miss Hannah. And let's see what we can find. It says, I am a caterpillar and I am long and fuzzy. You see the caterpillar, and if you touch it, it feels really fuzzy. I am a butterfly. My wings are thin and silky. And his wings are very silky. I am a snake. My skin is cool and scaly. You see the pink snake? It has lots of scales, and you can see there are some sparkles too. I am an elephant. I have a rough, bumpy hide. The hide is kind of like the elephant's skin. And there's a spot right here where you can see how rough and bumpy it is. I am a dolphin. I am smooth and slippery. And you can see on the dolphin skin right here, it's really smooth. I am a bunny. I have a soft, fluffy tail. And here's the bunny with its soft little tail. I am a lion. I have a thick, hairy mane. See, the lion has lots of soft hair. Which animal would you like to feel next? The end. So you guys can think about if there's any other kinds of animals that you're curious about how they feel. So I wanted to make a fun kind of book that I could touch and something that I can bring to the classroom once we all come back to school and we get to see each other again. So you guys will be able to feel it too and see what it feels like. So for the caterpillar, I just used pom-poms that I had in my house and I glued them after I drew the picture. So this is something that you guys could do too. And then for the butterfly, the wings are made out of tissue paper that I glued on after I drew and colored the butterfly. For the snake, this was a piece of a curtain that I had in my house and I just cut it up and put it on top of the snake so it feels like scales. If I put it closer, you can kind of see how it looks like. And for the elephant, this is aluminum foil that I glued underneath after I cut a square in the elephant. The dolphin is a smooth piece of paper that I cut and glued in a hole underneath the same way that I did the elephant. The bunny, I bet you guys know what this is. The bunny tail is just a cotton ball that I glued onto the paper. And the lion is just some pieces of yarn that I glued. So you can make a book out of anything that you have at home. I had this, but you could just take some pieces of paper and put them together with staples or with strings, and you can make a kind of book like this where you can touch and feel it, or you can just make a book with pictures that you can read. So that's something really fun that you guys can do at home too. And if you do decide to make a book, I would love to see it whenever we come back to school and we can all see each other again. So I hope that you guys are all doing well. I miss you all so much. I can't wait to see you again, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.